Guys, welcome back to What's for Lunch. We have another episode for the big game this Sunday. I hope you guys are getting ready. I'm getting pumped up. You know why? Because SHIPT is the official partner of the big game house in Las Vegas. They've made my week so easy. Everything we have for this recipe was delivered with SHIPT, and right now, if you go to SHIPT.com, you'll get a 14-day free trial, so don't miss out. They make everything easy. All right, guys, today, we're mixing it up. We're gonna do a little healthier snack. We're doing a nice little broccoli crostini.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
We got a baguette here, some ricotta cheese spread, and I have some hot honey. Again, another easy recipe. We're keeping this week super simple. All you're gonna do, take your baguette, we're gonna slice it on a bias, so on a 45-degree angle. So you get a little bit bigger pieces like that when you cut it this way. A little more surface area. These we'll just throw in a roasting tray, and we'll hit them just with a little bit of olive oil on these. Give the bread a toss, and this will go in the oven just until it's nice and crisp. Along with that bread, we have some broccoli. Now, people are going broccoli in the big game. They don't go together. Yes, they do. We got to have something green on the table. So the broccoli, we're just going to cut the florets into little pieces like this. And all we're going to do is we're going to roast these with some olive oil and some salt at 425 degrees until they're crispy. If you get it crispy enough and you get it all the way to that charred point, it's delicious. It's going to look like this. And you're going to go, that looks a little burnt, Donny. It's not. This is perfect right here. Listen to this. Delicious. If your kids don't eat broccoli, make it like this. They'll love it. Salt, olive oil, and heat. That's it. Okay, so that baguette is nice and toasted now. All we're gonna do, this one again, this is so easy. We're not trying to really reinvent the wheel this week. We wanna make this day as easy as possible. So we're spreading a little bit of that ricotta on there. This is a little thin, to be perfectly honest. I would have gone a little thicker on the bread. No worries, it'll still work. Okay, once you get the ricotta on there, you get them on your plate, get them looking good, and then we're gonna go in just that roasted broccoli now. If you have bigger pieces of bread, you can fit one or two on, but look at that, that's beautiful. That's a great bite right there. Crispy charred broccoli, that nice soft creamy ricotta, and a little bit of hot honey. It's a match made in heaven there. It's a little party in the mouth, a little pop, a little spice, a little saltiness. Delicious. I'm gonna go just a little salt on top, a little pepper. And we're gonna finish with a little drizzle of hot honey, just a little bit. This stuff is pretty hot. This had a good kick, so I'm just gonna go a little swipe right across the top. Look at that amber color of that honey. All right, guys, and there you go. There's some broccoli ricotta, hot honey toast. Little something healthier on the big game. You gotta mix it up, get some greens in there. And if it's not for the big game, it's for another dinner party. This is a great little appetizer to have out there. That's gonna do it for this episode, guys. We'll see you next time. And remember, go to SHIPT.com for that 14-day trial. Cheers. Holy shit, that's good. You gotta try one of these.